Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again tonight, and of course it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Of course, you can take your time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not join me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital to a reasonable one. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets. Okay, we will be starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here, right from this support zone. Okay, this particular support zone, it started an uptrend. We can see the yellow flag, and of course it has been walking right from there. Okay, so it got to this region, and of course it played around there for a while before breaking out above the resistance zone to get to a new resistance zone. Okay, so right from there it has not been able to break out from there. So if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go fully into a downtrend. So we should expect a downtrend from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it will continue to buy. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course we will be checking it out together. Okay, so let's do that right away. Okay guys, boom 500 had been on uptrend right from here, and of course it has been buying and buying and buying, got to this resistance zone, had a little pullback, and of course went back up again, and of course it is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, it might not be for long. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, it was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there, and it sold till it got to this particular region, and of course at the pullback, and of course it will be it will continue with the sell trend right from there. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset should be crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 started a downtrend right from here. It started around here, but it was unable to go further because of this support zone. Okay, so it had a pullback and came back again, and of course it's trying to break out from the support zone. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely it will sell more. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and of course it started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, had a little pullback, but went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and of course it got to a new resistance zone. It was unable to go further, so it started selling right from there. So it has, it's on downtrend at the moment, and of course it is selling right now. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the analysis, and of course apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God